I will make every effort to ease movement as part of economic enabling measures for Nairobi. Nairobi faces perpetual traffic congestion, itself an impediment to socio-economic growth. Crowding and endless traffic jams are a hindrance to the growth of enterprises. Besides, the two waste time and money. I will work with all stakeholders and the national government to fix Nairobi pandemic traffic jams, to ensure your time is well utilized and rewarded. Fifth and lastly, fellow Nairobians, as your governor, I will champion the establishment of structures and systems that will lead to the creation of 1 million jobs for the first 5 years of my administration. When many city residents are engaged at work, we can all enjoy more peace, less crime, and more prosperity. How we can do that is, first of all, we are going to take the Kanjo back for customer care training. We are also going to review their contracts, the city county employees. I know the last drive which was done in the Nairobi County was back in 1998. So we still have so many opportunities of those people who left for greener pastures and those ones who are retiring. So we have so much job opportunities that we are going to review. I am confident that I'm the catalyst that will trigger the journey of a new, vibrant, rewarding, and more reliable Nairobians. Nairobi woye!